Hi everyone, welcome to Vishwa Bloom. So today we are looking at chemistry class 8 periodic properties goal to MCQ. So let's begin. So let me show the slide. Yes, so first question is the hybridization of O and H2O is option B, it is sp3. Okay, and bond angle of BCEL2 is it is 180 degree. Okay, option A. And the shape of BCEL2 is linear. Okay, linear moiters. And the percentage of S character in sp2 hybridization is 33.33. And among the following choose correct molecules having 109 degree and 21 minutes. The bond angle, that is all are having the same bond angle. Next, looking at the MCQ with more than one correct answer type, it is sp3 hybridization is seen in all A, B, C, D. So marking all. So just write it in the bracket. Okay, I'm putting ticks here. Next, seventh question. Among the following pair of molecules having same geometry is BCl3 and SO3. Option A and B. Important conditions for hybridization. A and B. Statement questions. Each sp hybrid orbital has 50%. Yes, correct. Each sp hybrid orbitals has 50% Vp or character. Yes. Pi bond is less reactive than sigma bond. This is false statement. So the answer is C answer. C. Okay, I'm writing here. Looking at the next slide, it shows the passage type questions. Just read the passage. I will start with the questions. Orbitals undergoing hybridization should have same energy. Okay, option is A. And identify the molecule having equal percentage of S and P orbitals, that is it's linear, right? So it is CO2. Next, in which pair of molecules both they have sp hybridization? It is D. Okay, both A and B. Next, the hybridization of HCl in which is sp3? It is all are sp3. Yeah, okay. So classroom orange package, ICl2 plus is I hybridization. We have to find it is going to be sp3 when you solve it. Next, an element M reacts with chlorine to form compound X. So bond angle of X is 120. So what is M? So M is B, that means boron. Okay. Looking at the statement questions, hybridization in NH3 is sp3, that is true, and hybridization in XuO2F4 is sp3D2, that is also true, and IF7 is sp3D3, correct. So all are correct. Option A. Here I have to write in the bracket. And the next, looking at the statement ABC, sp3 hybridization is also called as tetrahedral hybridization, correct, and the sp3 hybrid orbitals have tetrahedral orientation in space, that is correct. The four sp3 hybridized orbital point towards the four corners of the regular tetrahedrons, that is also correct. So all the answers are correct. Okay, so looking at the matching sp2, sp3 or the hybridization, we should write the bond angle for each of the hybridization. So for sp it is 180, sp2 it is 120, and sp3 it is 109 degree 28 minutes. So option is C. Hope you all understood it. I'm showing the slides once again. Sorry, this slide, first slide, please mark the answers. And this is the second slide. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to Vishwa Blooms. Thank you.